Okay, love, so let me just tell you where the items came from. That's in this room. I'm going to start to my right. So the wall art that you see here came from Kirkland's. Let's see here. All the decor pieces on my dresser came from Home Goods, except for the candle. The candle came from Z Gallery. These purple florals came from Amazon. I'll leave the link below just in case someone's interested in those florals. And I actually did a DIY making this arrangement. I'll try to find that video and post it below. This dresser here, I love this dresser. The reason why I love this dresser is because it's a tall dresser. It's not the typical height, and I just like how tall it is. So that's the dresser and everything there. And if I go over to this side of the room, this little stand here came from Home Goods. I like the asymmetrical shape of this particular piece. The Ming boxes came from Z Gallery. Drapes came from Home Goods. The wall art here came from Pier 1. The vanity table came from Pier 1. My husband bought that for me 1 year for my birthday. The ghost chair came from Home Goods. All the decor pieces on the vanity came from Home Goods. And moving around this way, the leaning mirror came from Lowe's. The dresser and bed all came together. My lamps came from Home Goods. Actually, this little item here is a diffuser, and I love it. It's kind of like an egg, but you can use it all year round. It came from Burlington, and you can see it better, the glam part of it better, when you take it off the light. But yeah, love that. Mirrors that I have on my wall actually came from Home Goods. The bedding here, this bedding, okay, the bedding. The bedspread came, actually everything on this bed came from Home Goods except for the white pillows and the glam pillows came from Z Gallery. And this accent chair here, I've had it for a few years, came from Ross. And the accent table came from Home Goods. The mini lamp here came from Pier 1. My bed tray is actually a DIY. I'll try to place the link below to my bed tray. And let's talk about the items up here. The ginger jars from Z Gallery, candle holders Burlington. The candles are DIY, wall art from Ross. And moving on around here to the portable fireplace, actually came from Wayfair. I'll leave the link below. The items on top of the fireplace, this is a mini ellipse vase, came from Z Gallery, and this came from Z Gallery. Everything else came from Home Goods. And that pretty much sums up what I have going on in my master bedroom. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.